Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you all had a wonderful start in the week. My weekend was wonderful. I had a lot of time with my brother and we went out to dinner and had a good time, and I was laying in the sun. Maybe as you can see, I catch some tan. Looks good, yeah. And yeah, on Monday I was not trading. I was just driving around with the Wrangler, searching for air filter and some holdings for the exhaust system and stuff. And now I'm ordering some new tires. They have to get shipped from overseas. It takes like 2 weeks, and shit, they are expensive. Like one tire costs around $500. Yeah, around $500 for just one fucking tire. That's crazy. My other cars' tires are not that expensive, but yeah, the Jeep is a big boy and needs big tires. Costs a lot of money. But anyways, guys, I was fortunate enough to make the money for the tires today. So today I made around 70 grand on NAS100. First trade I took a loss. Second trade was a nice winner. Had a good position size into the market, and yeah, the market gave us a nice move. And I want to talk about the trade that I took today. I took it on the challenge account, on the $25,000 FTMO challenge as well, for the course update. As you all know, I'm recording all my trades to help my students become better traders and see how to pass these challenges and become funded. And yeah, I shared all my entries in here. First of all, I expected something like that. Then I was selling NAS and it was slashing through my stop like crazy in just a blink of a second. New York session started and I got stopped out like that. I was not waiting for the market to open up. I don't know, I was too excited to trade, took an entry and got slapped in the face. But anyways, at the end I got on the right side of the market and I was able to make some profit. So this was Monday's movement, guys. The market was going down, down. We had multiple liquidity spots, multiple zones where probably stop orders are sitting from people who are selling. So a lot of buy orders sitting in here. The market was slashing through them like crazy. I didn't expect that move. So let me show you what happened, guys, because I was taking a sell in here because I didn't saw that big candle coming, right? Well, what I saw is this high over here got broken and the market started to go down. So we had a break of structure on the smaller time frame and we had this beautiful double bottom in here, and I expected the market to, before they keep pushing higher, I was sure they're gonna slash through this, but you never know what's going to happen next, you know. This was my objection, but the market did not do this. So I was selling in here and the market instantly slapped me like crazy. I was lucky enough that my stop got triggered in here somewhere, so I lost twice as much as I was risking. So on my smaller, bigger risk account where I trade 5% risk, I took a 10% loss. This was crazy. Could have been even worse. I'm very happy that it closed my position even with a bigger slippage. I got out of the market somewhere in here. Took twice as much as I've risked. And on the FTMO account as well, took 0.5% risk, lost 1% on that trade. So I was getting stopped out pretty similarly. And then I was waiting and see what the market does. And when the market came around in this zone over here, let me show you real quick. This last up move, I think on the 5 minute I can show it to you a little bit better. So this last up move before we slashed through these lows with a strong move, this is the zone where probably some orders are still sitting that they want to close, some buy orders that they want to close, and if they close the buy orders, they ultimately become sell orders. So that's why market most of the time reacts to these zones and turn around. And this is what happened. Let me show you on the 1 minute chart. Well, As you can see, the market reacted to that zone and then it was dropping. And when I saw this move in here, I wanted to get in with a sell at around 250. This was my idea, but the algorithms have not kicked in yet. Keep that in mind. The algorithms, they start at 9:30 New York. You can see that on the volume, guys. At 9:30 they start to kick in. So my idea was this one, okay? But as I saw, the market did not get me in, did not let me in. It didn't let me in, just dropping and dropping and dropping. I decided to close this position somewhere in here. So I closed my pending order because I wanted to see what the market does when the algo starts kicking, okay? And so what I did was I was waiting for the market to give me a nice sign of a reversal of this down leg in here. I wanted to see a strong push that breaks structure on a smaller time frame to prepare my buy entry, because the overall strength is buy. We had a huge push to the downside, but we slashed through some major highs in here, and I expected another push, and I knew it will be somewhere within this crazy big candle, this crazy imbalance. There are a lot of orders sitting here that wants to get filled, and as you can see, it was just coming into this huge imbalance, into this huge candle. And then we had this reaction, and this was the reaction that I was waiting for, and this is the reaction that I traded. My stop nearly got hit, but I loaded it up again, so I was able to take a big position here because I was loading it up a little bit. I used the double trouble strategy, and yeah, made this 10% loss back plus 70,000 extra. And on the FDMO challenge, I can show you real quick, I nearly passed it already. I'm on $2,200 profit. I have 5 trading days so far. Today I took 2 losses in a row. One was this huge one with 250. Then I took another early buy that I didn't share it with anybody. I got in a little bit early on the buy side, so I took another loss. But the third one on this account was finally the winner that got me into $360 profit, which is more than 1.5%. And yeah, no, it's not more than that. It's around 1.5%. And yeah, so far so good, guys. 5 trading days, we nearly hit the target of 10% profit. $300 left. I mean, maybe we done tomorrow, let's see. Didn't have a losing day so far. And yeah, we're gonna see how we finish this up. I'm gonna put all the trades inside the masterclass course, how to pass the $25,000 FTMO challenge. We already have the $10,000 inside. I'm going to make it with the $50,000 as well, $100,000, $200,000, and then let's see how much money we can generate when we trade all these accounts. Or maybe I'm going to put all these accounts together in one big account, trade it for 1 or 2 months, get paid, and yeah, show you what is possible in just a small time frame with the right strategy, the right mindset. And yeah, you can watch me do this live inside the course. I think this is something really valuable for all of you, and yeah, you should really check it out. Let's see, I could sell this one in here. I could really sell this one in here, but I'm happy for today. I'm not going to trade, even if it looks pretty promising. As we see, this market is slashing through it. We grab liquidity in here, market slashing down with a nice strong candle, so we could sell it in here, somewhere in here, and try to write it down. Take first profits somewhere in here, second profits maybe at the double bottom that I was aiming for. before all this happened. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. Make sure to smash that like button. YouTube loves it. Support my channel. If you drop a comment, you probably have the chance to win the Genius Trading Masterclass course plus lifetime membership inside the inner circle of our team. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm going out. I'm going out enjoying the sunshine. I mean, this weather here is so beautiful. Look at this. What is this? I'm island boy. Island boy. I hope you're all having a good time. See you in the next video, guys. Stay healthy. Peace out.